Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 24, 2023, 3-star Sudoku. Fourth row, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 8, 5. Column E, column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. The 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 7, 4. Column E, column F, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. That 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 7th row, column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 8, 4. Column J, column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, and 3rd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 5. Column B, 4th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 will come any one of the cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come any one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. 10th row and 9th row, column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 9, 5. Column C, we have 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column I, column F, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 1st grade, column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we get 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another two cells. Second row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third grade, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Second row, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then second row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in another two cells. Column I, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then fifth grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then third grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Ninth grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then sixth grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Ninth grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Ninth row, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Fifth row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column J, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. Column D, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come in another two cells. Column C, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.